Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to deposit on FTX exchange in 2022. Now there are two different applications. There are FTX application and FTX Pro application, right? So the FTX Pro application is the application that we're currently in, which is the exchange application. So here you can actually go and you can directly click on deposit and you'll be able to deposit via SEPA transfer, euros, stable coins, right? Credit card or debit card, real-time bank transfer, wire transfer, and cryptocurrency. So the best way to do this is if you want to transfer, let's say you want to deposit cryptocurrency from another exchange or like, for example, Binance, you can just go to cryptocurrencies and then you can select the cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, and you can deposit Bitcoin right here, which is pretty awesome. Or you can click on credit and debit card and you can obviously click I agree, continue, and then you can create or put your credit card number here and buy some crypto with that credit card. Now, I think these are the two most fastest ways, right? Other ways are really slow. But yeah, these are the two most fastest ways on how to deposit on FTX exchange in 2022. On mobile, it's even simpler. On your computer, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's still simple. So yeah, that's pretty much how to add or how to deposit on FTX exchange in 2022. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to go and answer all of your questions, and we'll see you in the next crypto video. Thank you guys for watching.